behu no makakra about said ye empenimfo attitude towards a normal hayen and I say you feel say enye ewo yasetenemu. And one of the issues Galamsey. Now quickly, if I saw about Facebook, na Yeshe Johnson Esiedu Nketia, the national chairman of the NDC, Abanya Owosui, Amanuku, Openyina, Ono, Edano, as the chairman. Na wakasa afa how dangerous Galamsey ususu se enipa bi kura yede omo akotumu anase yede omo akokokumu ewo Galamsey ho no ne kwan so san se Galamsey enya adepa. It means ubia recognizes se haye pa tie no kakra.
Say what to me judgment no. Menti MPP for ase say ye me party NDC a kasa se mo ni say me the party for mobilize party for akodi akire. How it is going to cost MPP no womunim
wontumi asem na MPP di akire no
cost wo mo kese pa enti MPP betimi akogina ba bia ka se emo bia anse forest biem emo bia anse nsuo emo bia anse say wa bra ya chi mu nipa evidence ya beto ho say wadi sa abone no na munya no ema ne nso ane cross na party no nyina say ya mfa kwan papa so anche no na che say wo say nsuo a asese utimi say na fa ho di o ye Galamsey say utimi na fa. It's going to cost them.
Okay.
Now I think say one more problem with leadership.
MPP.
I'm telling you. Once I me yachi mu nipa evidence ya beto ho say wadi sa abone no. Na munya no ema ne nso ane cross. Na party no nyina say ya mfa kwan papa so anche no. Na che say wo say nsuo a asese utimi say na fa ho di. O ye Galamsey say utimi na fa. It's going to cost them.
Okay.
We Johnson Esiedu Nketia, the national chairman of the NDC. Na Galamsey who asem na woka. And at a point wabo untumi court edene akoshe kukum asem so. Se ensem we befa ho no Galamsey nti no aden na MPP for support to senka untumi yenya no. Ninti say no obi say nsu a yenya nana obi say asase no a yenya nana. That is a Esiedu Nketia asemni che se obi ya Galamsey ana se omo say nsuo ene ya setenemu de bebo ye ho bra eni se sa nkrofo no ye tolerate. That is what the Esiedu Nketia eka. Now that is the point where I realize say yem penimfo ni nyina nim the problem. They know say Galamsey no a problem ema wo man enti ye hu de kura wo munim dada. But the challenge is that how to go after omo say yensase any yensuo no is the problem. And ne Esiedu Nketia asem a wokan to me has been jailed, yet Galamsey koso den ewo kurumu ha. Yeah. He makes it look as if say the whole issue is about Wontumi. But me say he is in jail now, but Galamsey egusu ekoso den even within the Ashanti region. Enyasem kitwa ukrumwa. And I'm asking, where are the big men omuye behind Galamsey see no ekoso no? Where are they? Johnson is saying, I'm asking you, is it because those involved in Galamsey say no NDC fuana? It's a question I'm asking you because sir, you centered on Wontumi and I'm saying that he's in jail, but Galamsey gusua koso din. Is it because NDC for the Dutch rentina and we actually our more ye support to the Galamsey entina de yehunu yegusua ehunu ana? Because already they were mentioned some NDC executives bia omuye involved in Galamsey. Yete ho asem yesi investigations of course basically finality my nipa kura ye no ho investigation no bomb paye se wono no wono kura be kasae won tinta video so kire se obenya kura na nka de ho ensem no aba Joseph Yami was in Kubenya and Nanka resource number because only who say we innocent. But basically that investigation who MI Yakubu Abanga, the third vice chairman, Ononso Nediansu Pie, Oscar Oforilabi, our win MP, Emmanuel Anokofi, Jomoro, Ajira, chairman, just a who someone a baby by Bessie. So I'm asking, say, Galamsey na yehuni bebrebe wo kromu hana egusu a ekoso with all the impunity ekoso with Galamsey no. Is it because some NDC for na church rentina ama say no as a yehu ya na? It's a big question to the national chairman. Wabai also. Because you mentioned Wuntumi is not in the system right now or jail. Why is Galamsey still economy? Because John Dramani Mama can say he knows that no one crop for a shimbi omoye Galamsey. That is what John Dramani Mama kai or sitting crop for a wumbi omoye Galamsey. And here will be right to say NDC for being a church Galamsey a kosuri ye hunu pe esi dunketia one analysis a one may any analogy I will put forward. It will be saying you say and sasia and nisi jano. John Dramani Mama, His Excellency Nekai, say he knows sending crow for a wumbi. So if those are arrested, up to date, Ayakra won't tell one she, Nancy Yachinipa 15, Yachinipa 20, ya arrest now, but at the end of the day, the big men behind Omwa a Shewremo, the poor guys now, Omu Shewremo na a community, a Jumani or community as so Makogu Galamsey site no, Womu Tutuamanano, dear Okoto excavator no. Excavator what chassis number cars ya yesizi nyina what chassis number ebetumi trace ya hu big man kra Galamsey emfidie no ya excavators ne cars ne ye ne dia no ye betrace ya hu ne ye trace eye ya na asem no akoda wo mo ya chi wo mo arrest ye ntehwi biem say ya jeli obi see ya obi dan nothing na esizi ye ntehwe entima men kanche Johnson asiedu nketia Jeff anotoso Johnson is here don't get here. If you are saying say a political party, nemu as supporting a member, now we should say because of Galamsey they don't have that right to do that. Dear, then your own people are John Dramani Mama citing. Where are they? Are they the ones behind Nancy Galamsey ya espring ya yehu bebrebe? That's selective justice. And ama ye brewo meimuno. Ghana be say Galamsey no de it is all far baby ye didi na anu oboase de oboase na anu ye enrechi ye nyasem ketwa school wo mu tu adi asay school it say school asase no ma say no oboase ye bra Facebook be rade eni
school dan cheap e was school dan Sansu school down G by man, school down cheap, school down new. Police phones with Jinaha.
Near me, and say over Facebook, a police for agent a whole checkpoint, and when ye dig Galamsey school dying, and yet to two school dying, and currently make us say almost school no cram, Miyako system penny 4 by ye ever reclaim London, say by Yanqualano bar, go to Twamin. Look at it. Brabesha machines, they see school dying anymore. Just say, I say, yes, sound. As ye sound, the MC, the police commander, who ASR or Boise a you anti school or staff or personnel, Ejina, ye to Galamsey was school dining, and yes, excavator needs to know Monty, Messi school nini, or the Facebook any, and the police one Ejina. Nothing. Obian Kamoji. As ye yale. Obian Kamoji. The head of security, MC or area, BPNC. Is it because higher hands be kremu and say top yibi woman? I don't understand. Because the police is supposed to protect national properties, be to say land and sasina according to the constitution. a Ghana for they are vested in the president. Yet they are some mampenisa. And to mampeni security nina ese to me bo a japadia war mino diano who buy. To be too from a good deal we school die. Just say this is serious. This is serious. Now we go Eastern region. Eastern region here. A peja akim a buakwa south. Airtime. I sorry that just say actually where you feel Facebook where you feel come to Facebook and see something. Where the enra ya if you nipa na wo e o matutua amana enti we wo free wo dan mu a wo free bedroom ana akoto amenem wo free bedroom ana akoto amenem hwe efie ni mbode de aduadua no enti omo de ayini nyina begugum omo de begugum he na ya de nuru na gugugugu asasinim na bode na o madua wo fie senka efie bia benya ne garden o madua on bode o mbedi bra Facebook be this is sad enti nia ne no bone ni bewurawura bode ne banche no o so madua bode ne banche bi wo efie ne nche bewurawuram o mo de mercury ne cyanide no wan beguma ma na kum nipa and we are watching on. We are sick as a people because police in carry DC in carry, Obia in carry, Yemu, nothing matters anymore. The life of Ghanaians don't matter anymore. Now we let some close to Adansia Sokwa, close to Agenda 111. Yes, see, I arrest, Akosi say. Omo echi woman akosi saying Sunyane atroni now I am foresee a threatening in front of regional minister. In front of DC near threatening I am for say didn't no more ako ede Galamsey or Baba ka omo Galamsey asem ye gina we mekun so ne ehwe regional minister ntimi nkanre bono regional minister na MC also ntimi nkanre ye say ne na che say aginsem ekoduru ni say no an won say aginsem accountability on Galamsey this current government deda amoye wachire about Galamsey hunsem no look at what is happening and I'm not surprised that John Dramani Mahama na jitum say nkrofo involved the KPI of every MMDC was Galamsey areas no crash should be the fight against Galamsey entity who say Galamsey cost won impesua so cry say DC no eni so otena ho eni so otena na konya so cry for a week especially obuasi die school no san so se hin no sa ehwo no sa DC no esenka by next week ni ama na krata se wonko obuasi die me se DC no enka by one commander ni nyina ni ama mo krata se wo monko. How can you stand close to a school building aye to Galamsey the police officers we ekwanwo enu 200 meters kra they are close to it ujina okra wu and intentionally so omo kwaje omo share uzo nobody knows what is happening there. His Excellency is getting out of hands. It's too much. I will say, my youth now are frustrated. And let me end with this. And I'm so ebony. So, person who say, wow, government, yeah, attractive. Youth no bufu. Apart from unemployment, some of these things are more promises. Some be fight here. And one seminary, and by youth no bufu. And the National Youth Authority, CEO. Ako jina wonu atenfu anim NDC tenfu anim oto nwom yem praise Mahama fe tenfu ne tetewo wonu kwa na to nwom bra Facebook bewe omanim omumfi no kra omuzi ni ye hubi ni ye meto sa anim tie
Asan come see what Asan come see what
enti bra Facebook bewe ni padodo agu obi akra nto ama no anto nwum ni bia moa no come and see Messi wonu an beto pampana nana no obi anso wo so youth na gu onso mugu omumfi no omumfi because they are seeing unemployment they are seeing Galamsey ekosoro ebekunkum how can they sing come and see what the John Mahama has done Galamsey are you serious And Timu nim some youth nibuefua. Take this Osman Abdullah Ayariga Esquire Nidie as an example. You will sing, your own people will not sing after you. This is serious. And the NDC must know, say the honeymoon is over. Now the government might be serious. Say one thing, omode to Abama mu eye Galamsey issues. Ora, ena, se mo behweme economy ni yesika sem tutuye ebetutu yi. Se munimu a. So if you fail Galamsey, know that you have lost about 25 to 30% of your goodwill before Ghanaians. That's my message to the NDC and John Dramani Mahama. The 24-hour economy, Women's Bank, Ora, Galamsey. But Galamsey, Jinemunti Timai, and the Ora are the two cardinal ones. Ghana for her, so they do. That's my message for the NDC. Right.